Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Notion. And there's several ways you can link up your page in Notion. So here I will show you 4 ways. You can choose any of them, whatever is suitable for you. So the first option is using the added symbol. And here you can see write something here. Just type here added symbol. So you can see this link to page. In here they will show you all of your link. You just need to choose the link that you want to link in your Notion page. So that was the first way, and the second way is using the two square bracket symbol. So in here again type this square bracket symbol. And in here all you can also see this link to page, but here you can see a more option which is add new sub page or add a new page. So if you think that you don't want to add the page that you have in your Notion and you want to add something new, you can, or you need to add a sub page, you can choose any of them, and simply you just need to type your new page name. So that was the second option, and the third way is highlight the text. So in here you just need to write something or write the text. This, so in here highlight the text where you want to add a link, and here you can see this option add link. Here you just need to search for a page or paste a link. And that's it. And the last option is using the link to page block. So in the plus icon, simply tap here slash and link. Here you can see this option link to an existing page. So that means you can choose the page that you have in your Notion. So in here you will find all of the page. You just need to simply select the page that you want to add. So that's it. There are the 4 ways how you can link pages in your Notion app. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video finds you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.